Hi, this is Dr. Rose, and this recording is to get a better sleep. You dream the most healing, wonderful dreams. You love sleeping. You wake up every morning feeling wonderfully refreshed. You know that you were born with a perfect sleeping skill. Sleeping perfectly is your birthright. It is a skill that you were born with, that you are regaining, reactivating, reclaiming, and remanifesting every night. Every night, you listen to this recording and you sleep comes to you. It stays with you. It is a part of you. You sleep perfectly and wonderful. You sleep soundly. You sleep right through the night. If ever you wake up because of a noise, a sound, or disturbance at any time at all, you are able to once again roll your eyes up. So, roll your eyes up and take a deep breath. Keep your eyeballs up and take another deep breath. Just keep your eyeballs up. Take a deep breath. And then close the eyelids down. As you go deeper into an absolutely relaxed state, you are aware of a powerful transformation taking place in you. You are aware of an incredible transformation taking place in you. You are aware that you have the power to switch the snoring on, and you have the power that is right now switching off forever. You simply don't need it. It is redundant. It is outdated. It is outmoded. It is out of your life. It is never coming back. It will only ever be something you used to have that cannot, will not, does not influence you ever again. So I want you to go back to the part of you that created the habit of snoring. And I want you to understand you are commanding, instructing, directing that part to go. It has no rule, no function, no purpose. That part only ever wanted to help you. And now it knows that rather than helping you, it's actually hurt you, which was never intention. It has become redundant. You are commanding, directing, instructing every part of your body to go right back to its original coding, to function perfectly and properly. Exactly as nature intended you to. every part of your mind, body, and psyche is being commanded, instructed, directed to function perfectly and properly, exactly as nature intended you. As I speak, your brilliant mind, brilliant subconscious mind is going back and restoring every system in your body so it functions normally. And you are commanding, instructing, directing, compelling every function of your body to work perfectly, properly, exactly as nature intended it to. And I want you to imagine turning your eyes inwards and looking at the part that causes snoring. And you can see a little dial that controls that. And you are turning it right down to 0. The air now moves easily through your nose and throat. The surrounding tissues in your nose and throat no longer vibrate as you sleep. Your throat is becoming wider and your muscle tone is increasing. You are practicing your throat exercise daily and you sing more because you know that singing improves the muscles controlled in your throat. You maintain a healthy weight by eating more fiber, potassium, and magnesium rich foods and avoiding carbs. Take probiotics. 95% of your body serotonin is located in your gut. The sleep connection is that serotonin is the building block for the get good sleep. Hormones, melatonin. Your mind is instructing your melatonin and cortisol levels to remain normal, to induce sleep at the right time. Oxytocin is a potent anti-stress hormone. It combats the negative effects of cortisol and helps regulate blood pressure. Oxytocin is released during skin to skin. For example, massage, or simply cuddling. So you do more of this whenever you have the opportunity. Create a bedtime routine which you stick to every day. Go to bed and get up at exactly the same time each day, regardless of how much sleep you have had. Relax for at least an hour before bed. Limit screen time, bright lights, and stimulation. Make your sleeping environment dark and quiet. Fill your room with lavender and drink soothing tea. Keep in sync with your body's natural sleep wake cycle. Keep your bedroom as a place of sleep or intimacy. Do not work or watch TV in there. Get more sunlight in every day. Getting more sunlight during the day can help you sleep better at night. Avoid screens before bedtime. Use a blue light blocker on your device. Give your body a solid 90 minutes before heading off to bed after eating. Make your bed as comfortable as it can be. Comfy mattress, comfy covers, comfy pillows, and comfy sheets. Keep cool. The studies have found that the optimal room temperature for sleep is really quite cool. The more you ground, the more you can benefit because you are at your most natural electrical state when connected to the earth. You can literally get amplified benefits of sleep by sleeping at the right hours. It's been shown human being can get the most beneficial hormonal secretion and recovery by sleeping during the hours of 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. You get the most rejuvenating effect during this period. And any sleep that you get in addition is a nice bonus. So you always structure your evenings to get the optimal hours of sleep. Going to sleep early and waking early syncs the body clock with the Earth's natural circadian rhythms, which is more restorative than trying to sleep while the sun is up. One of the best times for meditation is when you are already close to the alpha and theta brain waves. This will be as soon as you wake up in the morning or right before bed at night. Your body is controlled by a network of intelligence, which is influenced by your own mind. You play this recording at night and you go to such a deep place where you are changing sleep patterns for the better. You are activating within yourself the most perfect deep sleep patterns that are a part of you. You are developing perfect patterns of sleeping quickly, sleeping deeply, sleeping right through until your required wake up time in the morning. When you wake up at your required wake up time in the morning, you feel so refreshed, so rejuvenated. You go to bed every night, certain that sleep will come to you and stay with you so quickly, and it always does. You wake up every morning feeling the benefits of a wonderful night's sleep. Knowing that you will feel that the next and every night because you have regained it, reactivated, remanifest in yourself perfect sleep patterns. You accept that you are able to sleep perfectly. You are communicating with this. Using this recording while communicating with the intelligence of every sound in your body. You are directing sleep to come to you. Your body is designed to sleep at night. your body relaxes. Your mind unwinds. Your mind unwinds and your body relaxes. You are communicating with your sleep patterns. With the intelligence within you that knows when to sleep. You are directing your body to sleep perfectly, deeply, and soundly. Your body is responding as you direct, command it, instruct it to give you the perfect sleep habit that you were born with. When you were little, you sleep perfectly. You are activating these memories. You are improving your sleeping perfectly right now. Just by thinking of it every night. You think of sleep coming to you, staying with you. Every time you think these thoughts, you are massively improving your sleep. Every night you play this recording, you think these thoughts, you hear these words, and you drift into a wonderful sleep. Your body is responding as you directed, commanded, instructing to give you perfect airways and breathing at night. You are always asleep on your side, and your soft palate no longer collapses when you sleep. The air always moves easily and freely through your nose and throat. You are communicating with your nose and throat passages, and they are widening daily. Your airways are clear and unblocked. You avoid caffeine and heavy meals late at night. You do your throat and tongue exercises daily. You are responding perfectly to these direct mental commands. You sleep perfectly. Your thoughts are commanding you to sleep. Your beliefs are changing your very biology. You sleep perfectly. You are activating and maintaining perfect sleep through the power of your thinking, simply because you can. As you relax and take these words, you know that your mind is responding to the pictures you are making, to the words you are making. Relaxing is vital to you. Relaxing is absolutely vital to your well-being. Relaxing is never indulgence or waste of time. You now think of relaxing as recharging, just like a battery. Your body needs to rest and recharge, and you make the time, find the time to relax and recharge your body, and you do it regularly, knowing that while you are in this powerful, relaxed state, your blood pressure is normal. Your glands are working in harmony with one another. Your body chemistry is balance. Your body is able to repair itself. You are creating this level of deep beneficial relaxation. Your mind is relaxing fully right now while you recharge and regenerate and repair. Your body and you're more able to deal with life's challenges. You are more able to deal with whatever life has offered because you are able to relax fully, deeply, regularly. And as you go deeper now, and as you go deeper for just a few more moments, you accept that stress is most often the pressure to unexpressed feelings, and you are able to release tension by expressing these feelings, by being honest to yourself. You express your feeling deeply, honestly. You acknowledge your feelings to yourself always and express the others as appropriately as you can. There are other things that you can do to alleviate stress, such as exercising, living in the moment is important. Not living in the past or the future, just living in the moment. The most important thing you can do to be happy is to forgive your past. Feel grateful for the present, to have positive expectations of the future, but to live in the moment. to face your fears, and to make time to you. So just let yourself go deeper and just enjoy this state of deep, beneficial healing, relaxation for just a few more moments. When you go to bed, sleep comes to you so quickly. It stays with you right through the night. You are able to enjoy 8 hours of deep, wonderful, restoring, relaxing, unbroken sleep. On the odd occasions where something may disturb you, it's irrelevant, because the minute you close your eyes, sleep comes back to you. It returns to you. The most powerful part of you knows that the night time is the time for sleeping. As your inner mind locks onto these words and accept them, you can find it so easy to get right into bed. To roll up your eyes, to follow these instructions, you must notice how quickly sleep comes to you. Long before my voice has tailed off and stopped speaking, you are enjoying deep sleep, proper nighttime sleep. You are enjoying wonderful healing dreams. Your inner mind is accepting these suggestions, and you are aware that you have a perfect sleep pattern. Every night, you are motivated, programmed, conditioned, and able to sleep quickly. Sleep comes to you quickly, and you stay asleep. You get into bed and sleep comes to you quickly. It stays with you for 8 hours. You enjoyed 8 hours of unbroken sleep. You are programming your body, your mind, your psyche to make this happen. You have the power to influence your body. You are using that power, directing and commanding that sleep pattern of your body to work perfectly. Your body is controlled by your mind. As you play this recording, you sleepily drift to such a deep, deep state. As you play this recording, you drift to such a deep place.